Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use parental control in BeReal. Now, BeReal has a very limited built-in parental control, so you cannot set a time limit or filter content within the app itself. Now, to use the parental control, you must use a built-in or device's built-in security or third-party parental control app to manage users' time and other features as well. Now, you could also enhance the child's safety by having them turn off locations, sharing, blocking inappropriate content, or restricting content appropriately according to the age, and that's how you could do it. Now, as already mentioned, BeReal app privacy and safety settings, or you could actually restrict the post to a friends only options and make sure not to accept friend requests from everyone. And you could also disable location sharing. This is also one of the essential features you need to understand, or you have to make sure to keep in mind. And you could also report inappropriate content or behaviors. And like I already said, there is no proper way, or there is no such thing as parental control in BeReal. So BeReal lacks in this. So you have to understand and just be cautious. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.